Easter treats don't get any easier or cuter than this Easter bunny bark. It's sweet, crunchy, colorful, and takes just minutes to put together. If you need a last-minute Easter dessert or a fun DIY Easter gift, this is it. We're starting with this white chocolate right here. Melt it down until smooth, and to make it even silkier and smooth, I'm adding a little coconut oil. This helps thin out the chocolate, making it easier to spread and gives it that perfect glossy finish when set. Once it's melted, spread it into a thin layer. You can go thicker if you want, but just know that the thicker it is, the sweeter it'll be. Now for the fun part, toppings. I went with pastel sprinkles, mini Easter eggs, and pastel M&Ms for that perfect pop of color. But don't stop there. You can add crushed pretzels, which will add a salty crunch that balances out the sweetness. If you like caramel flavor, add toffee bits. If you want a fruity flavor, a fruity twist, try freeze-dried strawberries or raspberries for a tart contrast. Once you've loaded up your bark with all the goodies, pop it in the fridge or freezer for about 30 minutes or until it's completely set. Then break it into pieces and enjoy. It's the perfect Easter snack, festive gift, or just an excuse to indulge in a little extra chocolate. Happy Easter, and share this with a friend that would love it. I'll see you soon in a new video.